So welcome to week 2, class 2 of yoga. And today you might want either a blanket or a hard cushion. I have this thing, this is called a bolster. It's basically just a glorified hard cushion. It's not terribly squishy, so when I sit on it, I'm not going to fall around. Just because some cushions might be super wobbly. You can get these online, but they're not particularly cheap, so I would just find something in your home. A blanket is totally cool too. So I'm going to perch on top of this, or if you have a yoga block, that would work too. Pop right here. Woo, okay. Alright, today I want you to just think how you are enough. And we are going to open our hearts up to feel and receive love for ourselves. The love that's already apparent in our life. Sometimes we just don't notice it. So I'm in a cross-legged position. Your cross-legged position might look more like this. If this is not very comfy, you can pop right here too. Just find a place where you feel supported and just embrace that for your body, okay? So I'm going to pop my hands, palms facing forward. I'm going to begin with 3 cleansing breaths. I inhale through my nose, out through my mouth. Here we go. As we inhale, I want you to think, I am. On the exhale, you bring your hands into your heart and you think, enough. We'll do that 3 times. Inhale, I am. Enough. Inhale, I am. Enough. I am. Enough. Hold it here. This flow, we're going to begin our bottom, and then we're going to take it to our knees, our all fours, then we'll stand up, okay? We're going to inhale, hands start here at the heart. We inhale, I am. Enough, shine. Shine the heart. Drop the head, hands come back to prayer. 2 more times, inhale. Shine. Drop the head. Bring your hands back up. Again. Heart shines. And let them drop. The right hand, this might be your left though, because you're mirroring me. Reach them towards the floor. Mine don't touch. That's okay. Lift up. Oh, now they can touch. Coming over. And then we're going to press. Bring it up. And press it back, drop the head. Last one. And drop it. Come on up, head falls down to the middle. Inhale, lift the head. Over to the other side, reach, reach, reach. Press it down. Inhale. And down. Avoid lifting that shoulder into your ear. We want to have space. And take it down. Roll the head forward and lift it up. Hands come behind your back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop the hands, drop the head. Curve the spine. Inhale, lift. And drop. 1 more. Exhale. Interlock your fingertips behind the base of your neck, and then bring your knees up, kind of like this. We inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, curve the spine, elbows to knees. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. roll it up. We're gonna move your cushion or your blanket, whatever it is. Just scooch it to the side, like so. And we're gonna go on our knees. We're gonna tuck our toes just like this. I'm gonna face you because I think it'll be easier. And we're gonna have our hands here. And we're gonna do this flow. Inhale. Heart shines. Head drops. Bring your hands back to prayer. 2 more times. Inhale. Heart shines. Drop the head. If your knees are bugging you, you can pop a blanket on right here. I'll show you what that looks like. 1 more of those. We inhale. Shine. Head drops. You're gonna reach this hand to the side. This one comes up. Exhale, drop the head. Inhale. Drop the head. 1 more. And roll the head down to the middle. Up. Woo, I got some wild hair. Reach the left. Up. Well, might be alright actually. Exhale, drop the head. Inhale. And see if that shoulder can roll down. Try not to have it close to your ear. Exhale. Drop the head. Roll the head down, up through the middle. Interlock your fingertips behind. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curve lower. Inhale. And curve. If this bugs your knees, then don't do the bend. Exhale. All right, interlock our fingers behind the base. We inhale, lift the heart. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, if 3 is too many repetitions, you can just do 1 really slow one. And now we're going to take it to our hands and our knees. So again, if your knees are bugging you, you can lay your blanket down and use that. We're going to go right here. All right. Inhale, drop the belly, reach the head to the tail. Exhale, hollow. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. And shift it all the way up. Move your blankie. And we're going to come to standing. And we're going to do our flow standing. We inhale, arms to the side, shine, head drops, hands in prayer, inhale, and shine, drop, inhale, and shine, reach this side, lift up, all the way up, exhale, drop the head. Inhale. And 1 more. And drop the head. Head rolls down to the middle. Up through. Reach the side. Inhale. Drop the head. Again. And drop. Again. And drop. Roll the head to the middle and fingers interlock. Reach. Exhale. Drop the head. 2 more. And drop. We don't want to stick our bottom out here. Inhale. Just our hearts lifting. Okay. Interlock our fingers. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Hollow. Press through the heels, lengthen, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And gently come back. We're going to do 3 cleansing breaths to finish off. Hands are out. We think I am enough. I am enough. One more. I am enough. And bring it to prayer. I just want you to know the power of the move when we open our heart, when we're here and we shine. This has immense power on a spiritual and emotional and a physical level. To begin with, it might feel super restricted, but know the more you do it, the more physically you're able to open your heart, and that will actually help you key into the emotional and spiritual realms of your heart. Thank you for practicing with me. You are enough. Namaste.